Hello everyone, I hope all of you are having a nice day. So in this video, I will tell you about a new feature that Avodha has taken the initiative to implement to our website. So as you can see, this student has completed 99.21% of their course, and they have been reset to a particular quiz somewhere in the middle. So if you ever come across a situation where you are reset to a quiz you have already completed, that is because Avodha has been collectively working with data science to make sure that all the courses and all the students who have taken up courses are going with the videos at the pace they are supposed to go, because a lot of students keep skipping videos. We've come up with this initiative where you will be redirected to a particular quiz and you will have to retake the quiz to continue with the course. So if you are redirected to a particular quiz like this, just you can take the course, you can take the quiz again, and you can continue with your course. If you are not, that's well and good. So as this is as Avodha has one of the biggest job placements in all of South India. We It's all based out of trust. So all of the companies trust in us to make to give them the best of the best candidates from our from Avodha. So just to make sure that they get what they deserve is why we've done this, is why we've implemented such kind of a feature to our website. So like I already said, if you ever get stuck or if you ever are redirected back to a quiz that you've already taken before, then just retake the quiz and then you can go on with your course. All right, thank you so much.